I'm going to show you how to disassemble the telescope. Pretty easy, you know. So you go ahead and take this out, which is the lens. Make sure you put it back in its little plastic container for safekeeping. And then this is up to you if you want to take the red dot off, so you can see that a little bit better. I'm going to take it off because I don't want it to be broken. Just make sure you don't lose the screws. Just put them, I would put them back on the telescope. This is just a cap going back on the telescope for safekeeping. And then go ahead and undo these adjustment cables. Keep the screw in them so the tiny little screws don't get lost. And then I would take this off as well, the counterweight. Then 100% take this off for sure. I'm not taking this little piece off. I am gonna retract this back in because I don't really think it needs to come much further apart than that, because I'm gonna use it later. So you know, I'm just gonna keep it together for the most part, so it doesn't take as long to set up next time. And obviously this is the one biggie that needs to come off as well, because you can't collapse a tripod with this on. So, and then, you know, if you want to take this off, you can. I don't think it really needs to come off, but obviously, you know, just do that and then it's off. And then fold up the tripod. And then, you know, put your legs back in on the tripod, just suck them back up, and then do that. And then tighten them in so they don't fall back out. And that's it for your telescope.